Well, good noontime, everybody. Temperatures are on the crisp side. I don't know if you've been outdoors. It's 53 degrees still, and it's that northerly wind that makes it a little bit uncomfortable, or at least biting. But if you're in the shady side or in the sunny side, behind something that blocks the north wind, you'll be okay. But it's going to be gorgeous today. Lots of sunshine all over the place. The northerly winds will continue settling down, and by tonight they should be fairly calm. We had 46 mile-an-hour wind gusts, and some people got some rain, but we didn't get any at the rain gauge, so it goes down as a dry day out at the airport. 53 is our temperature. We're looking at 52 out in Alice, and San Antonio 47, and even the Dallas area is at 42, so not particularly cold up there. All of our watches, or most of our watches and warnings, have been canceled. We're now still looking at the small craft advisory, so mariners just know it's still a little breezy out there, but by tomorrow things will settle down. Next couple of days, I mean, this is kind of a roller coaster. The next couple of days we're going to warm up. In fact, by the weekend, we're going to forget about this cold snap that lasted a whole day. There's the old frontal system. It's south of Brownsville. Of course, that little band of rain that came through is way out here, all the way into Georgia right about now. But this area of low pressure is the big storm. Now, it's not so much of a snowmaker. It's the Arctic chill that's really causing problems. Here's a unique opportunity, folks. A live shot over Fargo, North Dakota. Wouldn't you just want to be there right now? We're doing this for all of our winter Texans that are down visiting. So as I mentioned, the snow is not particularly deep. It's the temperatures that are just brutal. Let me show you what we're talking about. These, that's this afternoon, 1 degree in Chicago and minus 11 in Minneapolis. And tomorrow morning is the really bad one, okay? This is what we're talking about. And we're just talking about, you know, friends and family that may be up here. The low in Chicago is forecast to get to 22 below zero actual temperature. Below that is the wind chill at minus 50. Those are temperatures we see in the Arctic. And they're telling everybody just stay indoors and don't go outside. And of course, that's easy to say, but if you need fuel or food or something like that, some people may venture out there. But this polar Arctic outbreak is going to be there for about a day or so, and then slowly it pulls out, and then when the south wind kicks in, well, they'll get the thaw out. But it's brutal out there right about now. So chilly for us today. By the time we get to tonight, the overcast is going to be rolling in from the west, okay? That overcast is going to help us from not getting too cold tomorrow morning. In fact, we're looking at about a 40-degree temperature in the city, so some of the outlying areas may get into the upper 30s, but no freeze expected. Now, by the time we get to the middle of the week, we'll see a little bit of a rain opportunity as the cloud deck gets thicker and thicker, and then we go from the 50s and clear to the 60s and soupy with rain. And how about that? By the time we get to the weekend, we'll be at 75, just in time for the Super Bowl. That's your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy.